we have a mystery to solve. Me and my assistant today, Holly. Something going on here. This is our bird feeder. So it's supposed to be in the feeder, not on the ground. It's supposed to be up there. And something's grabbing the bird feeder and knocking it down. So.
Sounds very good.
What?
It's not very good.
It's not very good?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. The feeder? What's not good?
That is on the ground.
That it's on the ground. Oh, okay. Okay, we can fix that. Can you check the that's all?
Oh. Okay.
Well, can't hang it up like that.
Oh. Man.
Really whack. Maybe a raccoon? Or a deer grabbed it from the bottom?
Possibly.
Usually this high. And back up so people can see it. Usually up that high.
I wonder.
Well, we'll have to do some repair work.
No.
Okay, we got the feeder repaired.
Yay.
Somebody lost the footage of the repair job. I don't know who it might be.
I wonder who. Definitely not.
And so we put some brackets that I found in the garage and just screwed the feeder back together. So we're all done. And it's just a little shorter video. We'll see you next time.